Let's learn the correct threading process for your Singer sewing machine. Take the bobbin and gently push it into the bobbin winder. Take the thread from the spool and insert it into the first guide. Then, bring the thread to the tension post. Next, pass the thread through the first hole and pull it out from the second hole. Finally, bring the thread to the bobbin and wrap it around securely. Press the pedal down to start winding the bobbin. Once the bobbin is full, release the pedal and cut the thread. Insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. Ensure the thread passes through the designated slit. Your bobbin is now ready for use. Place the bobbin case with the small arm positioned at the top. Push the bobbin case fully inside until you hear a click. Pull the thread from the second spool and pass it through the second guide. Insert it into the first hole of the thread guide. Wrap it around as shown, and then pass it through the third hole. Next, pull the thread near the spring bar and pass it through this first hole, and then the second one. Wrap it around the spring bar properly, then pass it through the third hole. Now wrap it around the lower spring bar, ensuring it's wrapped correctly. Pull the thread to check that it's in the right place. Now wrap it around here, pull the thread upwards and pass it through this fourth hole. Place it here securely and then guide it through the fifth hole. Followed by the lower hole. And finally through the needle eye. Rotate the wheel anti-clockwise to set the thread correctly. Your threading is now complete.